Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with a little midday update. We're going live in about 10 minutes in the private Facebook group. There's a link there to join, so hop on and do that. Real brief, we talked about what do the Bears and Bulls need to do to be successful? Well, the Bears needed to do the exact opposite of what has happened today. So you see there the 50-day, here's the hourly chart, monthly pivot. We talked about this morning. Again, went ahead and they opened it up. They started before the open. We grabbed it long at about 68, 69 area. I mean, off we go. We've got a date with 44.17, which is your daily mid-band. So we said, look, there's going to be rallies. There always are. How do the Bears deal with the rally? So far, not very good, but this 44.17 area is some place where they can step in and try to fight back a little bit. 5-minute chart. So a couple things on here we can talk about. Your opening print 65.75 right here. So they had nothing. They started to come through volume weighted average price in the 68 area. That got us long. They hopped it up to the hourly mid, made a higher low, then got up into our proprietary area. They had trouble with 4,400 here and here. They brought it back into VWAP. They solidified VWAP as support. Then they put us into a box. And so we did a 93 to 4,400 no trade zone. And if you want to learn about no trade zones, that was yesterday's midday update, so check that out. They started nudging against 4,400. That got us long against 99, and we're in another long up here. So it's been a nice little day in the room. I'm excited to go live in the private Facebook group. Today's topic is 5 things to managing any trade, whether that's an options trade, stock trade, futures trade, something you found on Reddit, whatever the heck it is. There's 5 things that are common across all that stuff that you need to be doing to manage, that you need to know to manage those trades. So I'll check everybody out over at noon. We're going live. It will be recorded, but unless you join the group, you can't watch. So come on in. All right. Take care, everybody. Trade them well. I'll be back at the close. But it takes real talent by the Bears so far to screw this up as badly as they have. But we've seen it before. So far, it's happening again. This green dotted line at 17 is a nice place for them to try to fight back. All right, take care.